Assalamu alaikum, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's video I'm going to explain some advanced English words with their synonyms and the use of these words in the sentences. Let's have a look at these words. स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में हम कुछ एडवांस इंग्लिश वर्ड्स एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहे हैं. इन वर्ड्स के सिनोनिम्स और इनका जुमलों में इस्तेमाल कैसे होता है, आइए नज़र डालते हैं. Refrain. Refrain. Its synonyms are abstain, avoid, cease and curb. Its Urdu meaning is परहेज करना. Please refrain from smoking. Please refrain from smoking. बराए करम तंबाकू नोशी से परहेज करें. The second word is retain. Retain. Its synonyms are keep, detain, reserve, withhold. Its Urdu meaning is बरकरार रखना. They built a retaining wall around the pond. They built a retaining wall around the pond. उन्होंने तालाब के चारों तरफ एक दीवार बनाई. The next word is confront. Confront. Its synonyms are challenge, tackle. Its Urdu meaning is सामना करना. A soldier has to confront danger. एक सिपाही को खतरे का सामना करना है. Outright. Outright. Its synonyms are completely, entirely, instantly. Its Urdu meaning is मुकम्मल. They destroyed 4 houses outright. उन्होंने 4 मकानात मुकम्मल तौर पर तबाह कर दिए. Integral. Integral. Its synonyms are essential and fundamental. Its Urdu meaning is lazmi. He is an integral part of the team and we cannot do without him. वो टीम का एक लाजमी हिस्सा है और हम उसके बगैर नहीं कर सकते. Provocation. Provocation. Its synonyms are affront, insult, brickbat. Its Urdu meaning is ishtial angezi. You should remain calm and not respond to provocation. You should remain calm and not respond to provocation. आपको पुरसुकून रहना चाहिए और इश्तियाल अंगेजी का जवाब नहीं देना चाहिए. Dethrone. Dethrone. Its synonyms are depose, degrade, dismiss or displace. Its Urdu meaning is माजूल करना. The king was dethroned. बादशाह को माजूल कर दिया गया. Facilitator. Facilitator. Its synonyms are assistant, helper, supporter. Its Urdu meaning is सहूलतकार. He works here as a facilitator. वो यहाँ सहूलतकार के तौर पर काम करता है। Arbitrator, arbitrator. Its synonyms are advocate, judge, or negotiator. Its Urdu meaning is salis. The facts of the case are put to an independent arbitrator. केस के हकाइक एक आज़ाद सालिस के सामने रखे जाते हैं। Surreal, surreal. Its synonyms are unreal, bizarre, bizarre, unusual. Its Urdu meaning is गैर हकीकी. They possess an intensity that feels almost surreal. वो एक ऐसी शिद्दत रखते हैं जो तकरीबन गैर हकीकी महसूस होती है। Since it was all about some advanced English words, I hope these words will increase your knowledge and your English would be better than before. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.